Welcome back to my channel, dolls. I am finally back with another video, my first video for 2021. Welcome back to your girl's channel. If you want to see how this look was done, I just did a quick beat using this NYX Ultimate palette. Love this palette. Quick beat for you dolls to let you know I am back in the game. If you want to see how this look was done, then carry on watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll catch you in my next video. So I'm just priming the face with the Angel Veil primer from NYX, getting it ready before I apply my foundation. So we are using the Loreal True Match foundation in Honey. Using a flat brush to apply it. And then I'm just using this foundation brush to buff it out. Gonna go in with this color corrector. Should have probably applied it before my foundation, but hey ho. I've actually mixed the LA Girl Pro Concealer in orange and also in shade Tawny. Mix it together to get a peach tone. And I'm also using my MAC concealer in NC42. It complements my skin really well, so I use it to really hide the bags underneath my eyes. So I'm just using my beauty blender to blend this all in. Now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible concealer, and it's in shade Cashmere. I'm just going to apply that to my eyes and where I need it, and then we are going to blend this all in. Okay, so for contour, I'm using my NYX concealer in shade Cocoa. I cannot remember the shade of this blusher, this liquid blusher that I use, but I will add it below in the description. But I'm just adding some of that on as well. And then now we are just going to blend everything out. I'm using my brush first, and then I'm going to also use my beauty blender to get this all blended out. It looks so crazy when you're putting on blush, liquid blush. It just looks mad, but it comes out so gorgeous. And I am literally beating my face. I don't know why I'm being so aggressive, but yeah, I'm just blending in everything. Okay, so I'm just going to add some warmth to the face, and I'm going to use my Benefit Hoola Bronzer to do so. And I'm also going to run it from my eye socket down along my nose to get that contour look. Now I'm going in with some Lay's baking powder. Going to add that underneath my eye just to lock in that concealer. Going in with my PLouise base. I think this is in shade 4. Okay guys, I'm going in with this NYX Ultimate Brown palette. This palette is so gorgeous. I love it. So many looks that I want to do with this palette. I cannot wait. So I'm just using that brown shade to basically go into my crease and just to really concentrate that colour in the crease, because it just really defines your eyes when you do that. It really makes your eyes stand out. So concentrating the brown shade in my crease, and I'm just really putting it in that area because I want my eyes to stand out. And when you do that with darker shades, it will do that to your eyes. So I started off using more like a pencil brush to add the brown, and then now I'm using a fluffier brush to buff it out to get like a kind of smoky effect. Now I'm applying that lighter nude shade. I'm just patting that actually on the eyelid. And I do love the contrast of the darker shades in the crease and the lighter shade on the lids. Just going to pat that grey darker shade in the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm going to blend it over towards the middle of my eye. Just looked in the mirror and I noticed my brows weren't done. Rookie move, but I just kept it moving and just went and folding my eyebrows while I was doing my eyeshadow. Not a biggie. It's fine, it all worked out good. Now I'm just dragging that brown onto my eye just to create a more even look with the browns under the eye and the brown in the crease. Going in with my fave liquid liner. This liquid liner is a vinyl liner from NYX. It's so black, the wand is so easy to use, so it just makes for easy application. So I would definitely recommend, and it's like really not expensive, it's like £6. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that. Just lubing up the lashes with some mascara, so when I put on my lashes they just stick to them. And I'm also using my nude eyeliner as well, just to open up my eyes. Going in with my highlighter from LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's in shade Champagne. And I love using a liquid highlighter sometimes. I just love that glow that it gives you. So just adding that on as well. Also going in with my NYX lip gloss, and this is in shade Honeymoon. This look is just a quick, easy tutorial. I use this NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, and it's got an array of browns and creams and a couple of sparkly shades in it as well. This palette is really nice, and I feel like it will match and go with everybody as well. So yes, I absolutely love this palette. I use this palette to create this look. I just did a soft eyeshadow, really soft, you know, just kind of wet in my crease and just went on my lid with, I went in my crease with a darker colour, went on my lid with a lighter colour for that contrast. So it's almost like a mini cut crease without really cutting your crease. And I just put on some really bold lashes with this look. Because I didn't do too much on the eyes, I thought the lashes would bring it to life. Absolutely loving how it turns out. I'll catch you dolls in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you dolls soon.